Hi, in this video, we'll be learning about constants and variables. Here is a mind map diagram of constants and variables. We have different constants and variables divided into categories such as numeric and character. And we also have subcategories as shown in the diagram. List of constants in C. The following table shows us a list of constants along with some of the examples. We have decimal constants, real or floating point constants, octal constants, hexadecimal constants, character constants, and string constants. Two ways to define constants in C. 1. Using const keyword, and 2. Using hash-defined preprocessor. In this following program, a variable pi is declared with a value 3.14 and made it as constant. The meaning of this is we cannot change the value of pi variable anywhere in the program. In this example, the value of pi is being changed from 3.14 to 4.5. Because pi is declared to be of type const and the value cannot be changed, an error is generated saying cannot modify a constant object. And the next is hash-defined preprocessor. The hash-defined preprocessor is also used to define constant. We will learn about hash-defined preprocessor directive later. This program explains constants in C language. In this program, we have two constant values 10 and 5.5 which are assigned to variables A and B. These values 10 and 5.5 are referred to as constants. 10 is an integer constant and 5.5 is a floating point constant. Now let's see the output of this program. Run the program. And here's the output, values of A and B. Thank you. Why to choose easy to learn? And what easy to learn provides us with? Lots of information, web content, video tutorials, mind maps, animations, code practice, quiz, reports, projects, certification, and many more. Everything under one platform. Kindly subscribe us at our YouTube channel and visit our website for more details. That is easytolearn.co. And also like our Facebook page at /easytolearn.co. Thank you.